Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Speras P10R V2 flashlight. I will go over specs, features, and show it in use. So let's take a look. The flashlight comes with a hard shell storage case, and inside you get the following: the user manual, extra O-rings, USB-C charging cable, a holster, and the flashlight. Going over some specs, the flashlight has an aluminum body, max output of 10,000 lumens, 574 meter beam distance. It has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, a 21700 type, 3-piece luminous SST70 LED, USB-C charging, 7 modes: turbo, high, medium, low, eco, strobe, and SOS. You can see the corresponding outputs and runtimes in the table, and it's IP68 waterproof. It has 2 buttons. The top button is the instant turbo mode along with strobe and SOS. The bottom, you can cycle through the eco, low, medium, high, and turbo modes. It also has a lock feature to prevent accidentally turning it on. Taking a look at the flashlight, it feels solid with the aluminum body, and it's not too large. You have the branding right on the top below the buttons, and you have the mode button and instant on button. It has a nice pattern grip along the tube as well. Here you can see the 3 LED lights in the front. And on the side, you have the USB-C charge port. Accessing the battery is simple. Just unscrew the top cap and you will have access to the 10,000 milliamp hour battery. The buttons also have the LED indicators that will show you the state of charge. Taking some quick measurements, it comes in at just under 9 inches long, and it weighs in at roughly 452 grams. A brief run through the controls before I test it outside. The bottom button cycles through the eco, low, medium, high, and turbo modes. And then the top button is the instant turbo, and double pressing it you can toggle strobe and SOS. And as mentioned earlier, it has a lockout feature as well. Just hold both buttons down for 2 seconds and the light will flash to confirm that it's locked. To unlock it, just press a single button 3 times and the light will also flash as confirmation that it's unlocked. Okay, here is the Speras V10 P2 outside, and I'll cycle through the modes: eco, low, medium, high, and turbo modes. Also the strobe and SOS. So that's a look at the Speras P10R V2. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.